So I'm teaching how to set up a TradingView account, set up a trade. You go to TradingView.com, you open an account, you go to scripts, and what you want to look for are two scripts, well, three. You want Market Cipher B, you make that your favorite, add to favorite scripts. Market Cipher A, add to favorite scripts. That's really all you need. Then you go to chart, click chart, you'll get a chart. Now over here you want to look for Bitcoin, Bitstamp. So on the watch list you type in Bitcoin, BTC, and you could also go USD, which will give you, BTC. So I use Bitstamp, so you look, you see Bitcoin, US dollar, Bitstamp, you click that, click it, and there it is. And then you click it again, and it'll bring this up. Now you have the chart. You could move the chart here like that. You could move it around here. So now let's go to Fibonaci retracement. You want to click that. Now today is here. You want to go to the previous day low, which is right here. That's the low point, the lowest price. Click on that, and you go to the latest high. And there it is. That's the high price. Boom. So that's giving you the Fibonacci ratios, where the prices will move around. Now that's the day chart. So that's how I set up previous day's low, the low point, to the current high point for the prices. Now let's go look at the market. The past 4 days, I've got red, meaning the market wants to go down. It's a bear market. Red candle, red candle, red candle, red candle. So for the past 4 days, it's been a down market. You see the down? So today, I'm gonna sell contracts. This red dot here, or X, is a sell signal. The red diamond, it's a continuation of the bear trend down. So now let's look at, I'm gonna move this over here, just a crack. Notice you see how I lined up to the low point of this previous low and the high point of this current high, like right there. Okay, and there's the numbers: 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, 0.78. We'll worry about that later. So now let's look at today. There's a long wick, which means the market wants to go down. I call it a tail, sorry. This is a long tail. The market wants to go down. And it's got a candle, which means like a candle wick. So it's choppy, but I know it wants to go down. See, here's a low and here's a low, so the market is going down. See? Down, it wants to go down. So today's a selling day. Now, that's what I do for the day chart to set up the Fibonacci ratio. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. Every candle is 4 hours long, so in the last 4 hours we've had a strong downtrend. It's a red candle, which means the market wants to go down. So I have a sell order. I have a sell order of one contract at this price right there. You see it? When the market jumped up, we had these little candles. So I like to sell right below the top of the candle. And I also like to sell right at the Fibonacci ratio, which is this yellow line there. But there was a flash twice. The market flashed up, So I have my little sell order, sell one contract there. That's the 4-hour chart. Let's look at the 2-hour chart. Boom, same thing. Each candle is 2 hours. There's the sell signal, the red X. I actually sold and bought this morning. The second sell and buy order was an accident. I was trying to set up a sell order here. Get rid of that. And here's the order panel. Okay. So now we know that the market wants to go down, right? It wants to go down. Get rid of this. Today it wants to go down. So here's the 2-hour chart. You have a long tail, a short wick, candle wick. So the market wants to go down. Here's the current price. The price is moving up and down. Now, this chart, it has it's paper trading. You have $100,000 to trade, and I'm trading one contract right now because I'm just starting out to teach you. So let's look at the 1-hour chart. You see also long tail, it wants to go down. Look at the 30-minute chart. Red candles, it wants to go down. High selling volume, color red, long tail. So, and the 15-minute chart there. Okay, now you have those indicators. You have the Market Cipher A. Oops, I already got it. It's this. It's right here. So you go Market Cipher A. Boom. It tells you sell. This is a sell signal. This big diamond and the X. It tells you to sell. And look what happened. It's going down. Let's look at the Market Cipher B. Boom. So I go up to settings. It's the VWAP. I change it to bright yellow. Okay. And then I change this to a line. Okay. So now you see this yellow line. This is 0. When you see this white and turns into blue, it got a yellow circle, green dot. That's a buy signal normally. But look, the price is not moving. It's just like flat, so I wouldn't buy there. I want to buy when it goes down and then up, sell. So that's the 15-minute chart. If you want this to look better, you could move it up. See? Move it up just a bit. And you see this is a Fibonacci line there. I put that fib on the bottom. So now it looks better. Remember, the market is down, so I'm looking to sell. On the 15-minute chart, the last selling opportunity was here at that price. You see that tippy top of that green candle wick? That's a good place to sell. And further back in time, always look left. Further back in time, there's another sell high candle point. So I have a sell order right below the tippy top of that last candle point. Okay? Now, let's pretend we hit that sell order. And how do I buy to close? If you sell something, you got to buy it to close. When you sell something, it goes down, you make a profit. Here is where I would buy. When you see this gray line, I would buy to close right there. When this white light blue turns into the dark blue, it'll get a green dot. I would buy to close. If I sold one contract, I would buy one contract to close the order. So that's today's trade strategy. On another day, if it's green, I wouldn't be selling. I would look to buy, because the market moves up and down, so I would look for a buy order. Okay? So let's go back to the 15-minute chart. So that's today's trade strategy.